Hi, welcome to Fusion Beads. Today I'm going to show you how to make the Moroccan Sunset earrings. These earrings here are made using TierraCast charms and rings with the Sunset Morocco Vintage Patina kit to create a unique, colorful pair of earrings for any occasion. To make these earrings, you're going to need two 16mm antique pewter Flora medium rings by TierraCast, two of these 20mm antique pewter large Flora teardrop charms by TierraCast, two 4mm and four 6mm silver-plated base metal 20-gauge open jump rings, a pair of sterling silver French ear wires, some chain-nose pliers, a paintbrush here to use with your Sunset in Morocco Vintage Patina kit. You're also going to need a paper towel, a little cup of water, and then a surface to work on while you're painting. You can use wax paper, foil, or anything you really prefer, just to make sure you don't get paint on your surface here. So I'm going to just be using these little Ziploc baggies here to place my components on while I paint. And then you're also going to need this vintage reliefing block here. And you can find all of these product links in the description below. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so to make these earrings, you first want to lay out the charm and the ring here that we're going to paint on. And then I have them here on my little Ziploc baggie, my little plastic bag, to prevent it from getting on my work surface. And then you want to just take the three colors that were in that Sunset in Morocco Vintage Patina kit and just put a little bit on that baggie, or whatever you choose to use, if it's wax paper or foil or anything else. And then you want to take your paintbrush, and we're just going to paint onto these components here. So I'm going to start with the pink. You just want to take some paint, and we're just going to paint that just on about a third of the charm here, because we have the two other colors we want to add. And I'm also going to add a little bit of pink to just one section of the ring. Okay, and then you just want to take that little cup of water and just clean off your paintbrush. Okay, and I'm just going to let this dry just a little bit before I work with it. Okay, so once it's a little bit dry, you could go ahead and use your paper towel if you prefer to just blot it a little bit, just to get that extra paint off. Okay, so then with a clean paintbrush, we're now going to just pick up some of that orange. And we're just going to put that right in the middle of the charm. Make sure you cover it. And then also just kind of a little bit along the sides here. Okay, so again, you just put your paintbrush in that cup of water and rinse it off. And I'm just going to let this dry here for just a second. Okay, so once you give it a minute to dry a little bit, you can take your paper towel again. Just blot it a little bit. Okay, and now with that clean paintbrush, you want to add the yellow. I'm just going to add the yellow just to the top here of the charm, and then just that little section left on the ring. Okay, and again, we're just going to let this dry here for a minute. Okay, so once you let it dry just for a minute, take that paper towel again, just blot it. Okay, so then while the patina is still just a little bit wet, slightly wet, you want to use the dark side of the metal reliefing block. And so you want to take your charm, and if you want, you can hold it on a little piece of paper towel here. So take your charm, and then the dark side of that reliefing block, and you just want to use it to remove the patina from the raised areas. And this is just going to accentuate the decorative design on the charm here. Okay, so you just want to do this until you kind of have the look that you want. Okay, so you can see here that you just have a little bit of the color, and the raised area here is back to silver, and it just gives it a fun little look there, adding a little pop of color to your design. Okay, you just want to repeat that with the ring. Okay, and just keep doing that until you have the look that you want. Okay, just want to do a little bit more. Get rid of a teeny bit more of the color. Okay, perfect. So now I'm just going to set these here, and we're just going to let them completely dry. Okay, so once the patina is completely dry, you just want to put together your earring. So grab a 6mm jump ring and just open that up using your chain nose pliers. Just bringing one end towards you, one away. And we're just going to attach the charm and the ring. Just close that jump ring back up, bringing the ends together. Okay, and then take the other 6mm jump ring. Again, just open that up. And then attach the ring. And then attach the 4mm jump ring. Close it back up, bringing those ends together. Okay, and now you just want to attach your ear wire. So just open up the loop. And you want to attach that to the 4mm jump ring here. And then just close that back up using your chain nose. Okay, there you have one earring. And you just want to repeat that for the other earring. And now you have just a cute pair of earrings made using the vintage patinas. You can also use these patina kits with a lot of other components. As you can see here, I've done a couple. I did this large feather charm and then this nice filigree component that work really well with these patina kits. You can do it and just have a lot of fun with it. You can start from the center and work your way out. You can work from one color down to the next, And we have other color options. So we offer other kits with 3 different colors in each one. So you can really just match your style and what fits your design needs. And you can find all of the tools and materials for these Moroccan Sunset earrings and all the patina kits at fusionbeads.com.